How to remove Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So for that, you can go ahead and access Meta Business Suite, which is business.facebook.com first, and you should be finding this particular interface. Now, what you need to do is look out for the settings within here. In your left-hand side, you should be finding a menu. Look out for settings from there and go ahead and open it up. After you open up your settings, here you will be finding a bunch of options under accounts. You may just go ahead and look out for the option called Instagram accounts and open it up. And once you do, here you will be finding your Instagram account that has been connected. Now, in order to remove it, you can directly find an option called remove. You can find it up and click on it. All you gotta do is click on that option, and here it will give you a confirmation that if you'd really like to remove your account from your business portfolio. So just go ahead and confirm that yes, you would like to remove. And when you go ahead and confirm, that way your Instagram account will be removed from your Meta Business Suite. So that is it for today's video. If you'd also like to do the same, you may follow up these methods. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.